Welcome to Walrus Opens, and today we have the Lawnmower Man 1 and 2 Black Label series from 101 Films. There we go. Awesome sound as always. But awesome box. Hardcover box. And no stickers. Hell yeah. The back information card and then the box set. I want art in the back. Yes. Oh yeah. All around art on a art box is always the best way to do it. Oh, this really tight box. Can we get the booklet out first so we can get the cases? Yeah, here are the oh yeah cases. The first one here from 1992. There's 2 discs, extra disc and the movie. And we have another. These are kind of good looking art pieces. I actually like them quite a bit. This one is kind of meh. So Lawnmower Man and Beyond Cyberspace, and then we have it's. Oh my God! This is the underneath the Beyond Cyberspace text. It's kind of bad, but this one I like. Over the Lawnmower Man 2 text. Yeah, those were those two, and then glossy. Oh my God! Look at that. What the hell? Yeah, that's gotta be the CG from the movies. Oh my God. More teeth. Even more teeth. Eyes. 101 films, usually when they have booklets, they are quite stylized. Oh my God, the CGI. Oh my God, it's so. Oh my God, just look at this. This is quite amazing. Oh, but just look at that. I have seen these screenshots. Oh my God. Yeah. That is terrifying. So yeah, still interesting set. So thumbs up, cyberspace.